Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to day 3 of Compare and Contrast. This will be our last poster that we'll be doing this week. Tomorrow you'll just be doing a 5-point assessment on comparing and contrasting. So as a quick review before we get started, comparing is when we talk about how two things are the same or similar, and contrasting is how things are different. The key words again for comparing: both, all, also, most, and to, TOO. And contrast signal words are than, while, on the other hand, and but, just to name a few. So let's just jump right in. We're going to be reading about tsunamis today. Um, and I'll just read the passage and we'll go looking for different comparisons and contrasts of tsunamis, different kinds of them. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are huge waves that strike land and cause widespread devastation. There are two basic kinds of tsunamis: regional and ocean-wide. Regional tsunamis happen close to land, while ocean-wide tsunamis often start far away from land. Regional tsunamis hit only one place and don't affect coastlines of distant shores. In contrast, that's a key word, contrast, obviously, ocean-wide tsunamis can hit shores for thousands of miles. Volcanoes can cause regional or ocean-wide tsunamis. Landslides and meteorites can cause regional tsunamis. Earthquakes can result in ocean-wide tsunamis. Both, keyword there, types of tsunami kill people, destroy property, and damage the environment. They threaten entire ecosystems, such as the rainforests, wetlands, and coral reefs. A couple of my guided reading groups should remember that, since we read a book on tsunami during summarizing. Okay, so let's jump right in to doing the comparison, how they are alike. Before I do that, I need to figure out what exactly it is that I am comparing and contrasting. The title is Tsunamis, so therefore there must be two different kinds of tsunamis. And the second paragraph tells us that. There are two basic kinds of tsunamis: regional and ocean-wide. So that's what we're going to be comparing and contrasting. So let's get myself a text box here and try to make it bigger. And as usual, I'm having plenty of trouble doing that. Okay. Maybe I should do okay. So the comparing, how are they the same? It says there's two kinds and they give a difference. Here they talk about regional, and then they talk about, now it says both. So both is being one of my keywords. So let's put down for the first one, regional and ocean wide tsunamis both kill people. And then they also both damage the environment. So those are two similarities that we were able to come up with, two ways to compare them, two ways that they are the same. Okay, so now let's go over and let's do another text box here. And let's do a different color. Let's do pink. Why not? Because we can. All right, so and what would Wouldn't be the same if I got it to work the first time, would it, fourth graders? Okay, so now we're looking for differences, right? All right, so it says there's two basic kinds of tsunamis, regional and ocean-wide. All right, regional tsunamis, it says right here, hit only one place and don't affect coastlines. So, regional tsunamis hit only one place, while ocean-wide tsunamis can hit shores for thousands of miles. All right. So remember when we do the contrasting, the most important detail I can have you remember, aside from the signal words, is to give characteristics of both of them. Where I talk about the regional and then the ocean-wide. Don't just say one has this and then leave it at that. You need to be as specific as possible so that we know how to contrast them. And then the another difference is we can say that landslides and meteorites cause regional tsunamis. Meteors are when they fly through the sky. Meteorites are ones that make it through the Earth's atmosphere and actually hit the Earth. That's the difference between meteors and meteorites, in case you were wondering. Landslides and meteorites can cause regional tsunamis, while earthquakes cause ocean-wide tsunamis. All right, just as simple as that. So, remember those keywords, and comparing is how they're the same, contrasting is how they're different. Thanks again for listening. Have a great day, fourth graders. Looking forward to seeing you all soon. Bye.